welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I achieved this glam look that I have on right now. And in this particular makeup session, I have also applied all the learnings that I've got from the previous video that I did, and also experimented some of the new products that I bought recently. So if you guys haven't seen that video, I'll put in the link below. And I hope that with this one, you'll enjoy the experience with me and enjoy watching this video. Let's get started. So I've already done my skincare, which I've already put on my serum and my moisturizer just to prep my skin and make sure that it's ready and it's not dry. And this time I will be putting on the foundation. So I'll be using the same one. It's still the one from L'Oreal. So it's L'Oreal True Match. And I think I really like this one because it's so easy to blend. And I'll just put it all over my face and blend it. Alright, I think I put too much. Alright, so that's it. So I'm done putting on the foundation. And I think I've put enough just to cover my imperfections. So the next thing is I will be using this Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Concealer. It's a multi-use concealer. What I'm gonna do is I'll use a brush to take some from here, just on the side, and put it under my eye. So I'll try to cover this dark circle and eye bags. Am I putting too much? I'm not sure. So I'm blending it right now. Can you see any difference? I think it's still there. I'll just apply it all over my eyelid to cover everything, especially the dark spots, and I think I have some veins showing up. Alright, so I'll start using this nude color as a base, and I'll just try to get rid of excess. Wow, I really love this color. It looks different when you start applying it. The color is actually apricot. It says on the back. The third one is apricot. You know what? I am doing the eyeshadows already. I'm putting on the eyeshadows, but I forgot to do my eyebrows, which I should have done before I started doing my eyeshadows. But I guess it's never too late for it, so let's do that first. With my eyebrows, I usually use a pencil brows liner. It's very old already. You can't even see the writings anymore. It's from, I think this brand is You, Y-O-U. You and me forever. Ooh. Look at that, the other one is so thick. Alright, I think that's good enough. It's not straight and it's not perfect, but I didn't say I'm perfect. Again, I'm just pretty. I'm not perfect. The next one is I'll be using this color, Ochre Glow. Ooh. Test it. It looks brown, but when I start to apply it on my skin, it looks different. It looks like a little bit of pink, pinkish red or something, a dark pink color. So I'll just put this in the outer corner, maybe about a third of the size of my eyelid. Can you see the difference between the two colors? Because I can't really tell. It looks very similar to me. It looks nice though. It's shiny and the other one is not. So maybe I'll try to use something lighter on the inside now. Alright, so the next one is this fifth color, which is gold quartz. So this one, the very last one. So I'll put it here from the inside up to the part where I didn't put the previous eyeshadow. Alright, so that's done for the eyeshadow. And the next step is the easiest step. Joke. So the next step is I'll be putting in the eyeliner. So since I'm done with the eyeshadow, I'll be putting on the eyeliner now, and I'll use this false adhesive liner to create the eye wing. It looks okay if I do this, but as soon as I let go, you can't see it anymore. I don't understand the shape of my eyelids. Alright, so there you go guys. This is the look with the eyeliner. So the next thing that I'll be doing is to put on the mascara first before I put on my false eyelashes. So for the mascara, I'll be using this one from Maybelline, the Sky High Lash Sensational. So I just need to curl my eyelashes quickly before I put on the mascara. Just to make my natural lashes a little thicker, and it will blend better with the false eyelashes later on. And for the eyelashes, the false eyelashes, I will be using this one from Glam by Manicare. And this one, it actually says it's already pre-glued. So let me just take it out. This one says it's for the left eye. It has glue on it already. Okay, so I've put on the first one on my left eye, and now I have to move on to the second one. I actually put on another or extra glue onto it because for some reason, even though it says it's already pre-glued, it doesn't really stick on properly, and I had a hard time putting it on. I know that sounds cliche, so can you blame it being skeptical? Cause every other time my heart was online, I end up disappointed and I'm pushed to the side. Alright, so there you go. I've done my eyes already. So now to finish up this look, I'll be putting on my blush on and lipstick. So for the blush on, I'll be using this L'Oreal Paris peach color blush. This is just to add a little bit of color. Alright, so this bronzer is from Maybelline, and it's the CT bronzer. It's a bronzer and contour powder, and I'll just put this on this section of my face to add some shadows and fix the shape. And I'll also be adding a little bit of highlighter on my face, and I'll just put a little bit on top of my foundation, and also on this side, just a little bit, not too much. And I'll also add some on tip of my nose. Maybe I'll use my finger instead. think that looks nice. And also, the last thing that I want to do before I put on my lipstick is to use this bronzer again, because I want to highlight or contour my Asian nose. Just a little bit on the side of it. But I'll add a little bit on this side too. Just to help make my nose a little pointy. So to finish up this look, I'll put on this lip liner to shape my lips before I put on the lipstick. So for the lipstick, I'll be using this Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color from Rimmel London, and this is in the shade of Rose and Shine. Alright, so there you go guys, here's the final look, and so far I think I'm happy with how it looks like, and I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. And if you have any comments or suggestions, I would really love to hear from you, so don't forget to comment down below and hit that like and subscribe button. See you on the next one. Bye!